A concrete is a composite material composed of coarse aggregate, fine aggregate, cement, and water. These ingredients are combined in specific proportions to create a durable, strong, and versatile building material that is widely used in construction. Detailed description of concrete. Aggregate. Concrete contains two main types of aggregate: coarse aggregate, typically gravel or crushed stone with particle sizes ranging from 3/8 inch to 1.5 inches in diameter. This provides strength and stability to the concrete mix. Fine aggregate. Usually sand, with particle sizes smaller than 3/8 inch. Fine aggregate fills the voids between coarse particles and contributes to workability and density. Cement. Cement acts as the binding agent that holds the aggregates together. Portland cement is the most common type used in concrete production. It undergoes a chemical reaction with water to form a paste that hardens and binds the aggregates into a solid mass. Water. Water is essential for the hydration process of cement. The correct amount of water is crucial for achieving the desired workability and strength of concrete. Too much water can weaken the concrete, while too little can make it difficult to work with. Admixtures. These are optional ingredients added to concrete to modify its properties. Common admixtures include plasticizers, improve workability without adding excess water. Retarders, slow down the hydration process, useful in hot weather. Accelerators, speed up the curing time, beneficial in cold weather. Air entraining agents, introduce small air bubbles to improve freeze-thaw resistance. Mixing and placement. Concrete is typically mixed using batch plants or ready-mix trucks, where the ingredients are combined in precise proportions. The mixed concrete is transported to the construction site and poured into formwork where it is allowed to cure and harden. During curing, hydration continues, and the concrete gains strength over time. Properties of concrete. Strength. High compressive strength suitable for structural applications. Durability. Resistant to weathering, fire, and abrasion. Versatility. Can be molded into various shapes and sizes. Economy. Relatively inexpensive compared to other building materials. Types of concrete. Normal strength concrete. Typically used for general construction purposes. High strength concrete. Provides higher compressive strength, useful in high-rise buildings and bridges. Lightweight concrete. Incorporates lightweight aggregates to reduce density, useful for reducing dead loads in structures. Decorative concrete. Includes finishes such as exposed aggregate or stamped patterns for aesthetic appeal. Concrete plays a crucial role in modern construction due to its versatility, durability, and strength. Its composition and properties can be tailored to meet the specific needs of various construction projects, making it one of the most widely used construction materials worldwide.
Please like, comment and subscribe on this channel.